Hello, you people. How are you all? Hope you're doing well. Hope your family is well. Hope you're coping well in this situation. Now, I know that this situation is a little messy. The world is in a mess. Country is in a mess. It's important to understand here that this situation is much bigger than us. It's bigger than you, me, the institute, the government. This situation is more of a natural phenomenon that is going on. So at this stage, you need to ask a question from yourself. Can you really control this situation? Can I control this situation? Can the government exactly control this situation? Can the institute control or predict this situation? Well, most likely no. I mean, we can definitely try to cope better with the situation, but we can't exactly control or minimize this situation because we don't exactly know what is going to happen in the future. In this situation, you have a choice. You have a choice that you can be pessimistic about it, you can complain about it, you can watch negative news, you can talk about how bad this situation is getting, you can continue to waste time, you can panic in this situation. All of this is possibility, and most of the people are doing this only. Whereas you also have a choice that you can react in a much better way. You can react in a calm way. You can accept this situation for the way it is. You can surrender to this situation. You can adapt to this situation. Surrender, I do not mean that just go out and get the disease. No. It means to just accept it wholeheartedly, that this is the new reality. And now what are you going to do about it? You can adapt your existing routine to it. You can learn to be a little more positive about this situation. You can learn to help other people. You can learn to spread some positivity among people. You can be the light bearer. If it is not in your capacity to help a lot many people, the bare minimum that you can do is that you can stop watching the news. You can stop speaking more negative about it. You can try to calm your mind down. You can try to focus more on your studies. You can make the most of your time. You can be the light bearer in your own house. You can spread happiness or spread smiles in your own house. You can at least try to make the environment a little happy, a little cheerful for yourself and for the people around you and for your friends. Instead of complaining about the government or the institute or your situation or thinking that why this bad luck had to fall on you only during your exams only, instead of thinking all of those things, maybe you can focus on being grateful for the few things that you actually have. You have a roof on top of your head, you have your family, you have an exam to look forward to, you have work that is going to occupy your time, you are healthy, you have a fit body, right? There are a lot of good things in your life which many people can literally die for to be in your place. Once you're going to develop this mindset, it is going to help you calm down and it is going to help you to focus in your studies. When your mind is at the right place, when you are calm and relaxed, then you are able to see solutions of the problem. Whereas when your mind is disturbed, you only see the problem and you keep complaining about the problem and then the problem grows. Okay, so we have to try to have a calm mind so that we can better handle this situation for ourselves, and also we can be the torch bearers for our family and friends. Because over my experience, here's one thing I have learned: whatever happens for a reason. The dots always connect in the future. Okay, so this, maybe it doesn't make sense right now, but it is going to make sense later on. Someday it is going to make sense to you. You just have to keep working. You just have to keep doing your best. All right. I hope this message helps you. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you again another time. Make sure to take care of your health, and a lot of warm wishes from my side to you and your family. Bye bye.